Hello students, today we will learn subject science 1 chapter number 5 heat for 10th standard. Our topic is latent heat. In previous standard we have learned about heat and different types of heat transfer. We have learned about the difference between heat and temperature. We have also seen how temperature is measured using a thermometer. Then today we will see about latent heat. So what is latent heat? Definition: it is defined as amount of heat required to change the state of unit mass of substances from solid to liquid or liquid to gas at constant temperature. And in this definition, unit mass means it is considered as 1 kg or 1 gram, and constant temperature is the most important part of this definition. Then let us talk about types of latent heat. What are the types of latent heat? Latent heat of fusion. Number 1 is latent heat of fusion, and number 2 latent heat of vaporization. Let us understand what is fusion. Fusion means melting and vaporization means boiling. That means I am talking about melting point and boiling point. Let us see latent heat of fusion. So, for example, I have a piece of ice. Then this ice piece is 0 degree Celsius and the mass of this ice is 1 kg, 1 kilogram. Here is the thermometer. I started heating it. So, what is that happens? In next position, again I started heating it. The temperature remains constant, 0 degree Celsius. After some time, a very little portion of ice is here. The ice is floating on water because the density of water is greater than the density of ice, and so that ice floats on water. Then finally, entire piece of ice or totally 1 kg of ice is converted into 1 kg of water. That means this is a transaction between solid to liquid. During the melting processes, solid substances changes into liquid substances, and this procedure is called as latent heat of fusion, and it is defined as LF, or it is denoted as LF. In the same way, I am talking about latent heat of vaporization. Like this, I have a 1 kg of water. I have 1 kg of water. I start heating it at 100 degree Celsius. Some part of water, it changes into vapors. Still, the temperature is not going to change. Temperature remains same at 100 degree Celsius. Then some part of water is changes into vapors. Temperature is still not changed. More and more amount of water gets converted into vapors. Still the temperature is 100 degree Celsius. Okay, now finally 1 kg of water has converted into 1 kg of vapor, and this is a transaction between water to vapor or liquid form to gaseous form, and in this procedure is called as latent heat of vaporization. So I think you understood this. What is latent heat? The types of latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. So then we will continue in the next video. So that's for today. Thank you.